the story how the camping was so happy. There's so many friends sleeping because it's still 6 a.m. They already setting up. There's a little kid here playing with his plushies. And this is his food, his bag, his important things, and everything important. And this is the most sleeping child in the world. It's Pablo, the sleepy child. This, the favorite child. And this, the eater child. And this, the second eater child. This, the important mother. And this, the sleepy father. This is the resting friend. And this, it's so good. He's the best in the world. And this is the car. I'm gonna pack some things. I gotta get my food. I'm gonna eat. Delicioso. I wonder. Oh no. Hey, why did you break the watermelon? Bro, I'm so sorry. It's okay. I'm eating. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Delicioso. Akalelo. Wow, is this a Filipino food? Oh, I love Filipino so much. There's so many nice people in there, and there's a Boracay, Makati, Cavite, like that. This is the best. What? Hey, dinner's ready. Okay, Mom. I'm gonna eat in my room. Fine. Hey, stop sleeping that. What is a food like this? Foodie. Okay. Oh. Hey, James. Where's all the bag? Oh, there's a bag. Okay, thank you. This is the bus. Okay. I'm gonna eat all of this. I said stop getting my food. Why did you do this again? Sorry. This is the 5th time in the row you said the sorry. Fine, sorry. I'm gonna delete it. Okay, I'm gonna eat my foodie. Nom nom nom.